This is a project in Northamptonshire. There are 8,000 square metres approximately of panel to install, as well as other elements including incandescent paint, flame spreads and fire barriers in the office areas. In this project we're involved from design stage right through to completion. Early design involvement helps get the right things in the right place and ultimately gives a better end product. The reason this project particularly lends itself to composite panel firewall is that the large areas allow for a rapid install of a self-finished product that is much quicker than traditional methods. We've managed to erect this wall in less than 2 weeks, whereas more traditional methods will take many more weeks to install. Therefore, it's a much more efficient, effective method for erecting a firewall. As an accredited installer, we're excited to showcase this project and how fast and efficient the system is.